Hey guys, in this video I would like to show you the best 5 high-speed box fan. I hope you like this video. So let's start. Number 1, PELONIS 3-speed box fan for full force circulation with air conditioner. Upgrade floor fan, black, PFB 50A2ABBV. About this item: 3 SPEED fan control. The rotary 3-speed fan control makes it simple to adjust air circulation and flow to suit any home or office environment. Safe and durable construction. This fan's high-performance blades provide smooth operation and are protected by a safety grille when in use. Saves money and energy. By assisting air conditioners with full-force air circulation, this 3-speed box fan helps save money and minimize energy usage. Lightweight construction. It's easy to move because to the lightweight construction and comfortable carrying handle. Manufacturer warranty. PELONIS offers a 1-year manufacturer warranty with the purchase of any of our products, demonstrating our confidence in the quality of our products. Number 2, Simple Deluxe 20-inch 3-speed high-velocity heavy-duty metal industrial floor fans. Quiet for home, commercial, residential, and greenhouse use, outdoor, indoor. Black. About this item: the air velocity created by this super wall fan is 4,650 cfm. A 3-speed, high-torque, permanently lubricated motor with 3-speed rotary controls assists you in controlling airflow. These floor fans may last for years with proper care thanks to their ball-bearing motors. For increased safety, the grille is made of reinforced wire. These fans are ideal for workshops, basements, living rooms, and garages due to their all-metal construction and aluminum blades. A wide-range cooling air circulator is provided via a 360-degree tilt angle. Furthermore, the rear guards have handles that make moving easier. Number 3, B-Air FIRTANA20X high-velocity electric industrial and home floor fan. 20 inches. About this item: wind to keep you cool. Our 20-inch fan will keep you cool whether you're working with machinery in a huge shop, warehouse, or relaxing after work on your patio with a drink. Powerful. Our fans will assist you in getting through those hot summer days when you require real airflow. This is ideal for folks who enjoy sleeping with a lot of white noise. 3 speed settings, tilting adjustment, portable handle, and UL certification for safety. To circulate the hot air out of your kitchen, place it on the floor or hang it on the wall. Strong and sturdy, all-metal heavy-duty housing that is easy to assemble and take apart for easy and convenient maintenance. Small grid spacing to keep out accidental fingers and paws from getting in. 1 year. B-Air creates goods that are high quality, long-lasting, and dependable. We believe in our products, and we hope you do as well. Number 4, Lasko 20 inches high-velocity quick mount. Easily converts from a floor wall fan, 7 by 22 by 22 inches. Black 2264 QM. About this item: this fan has 3 powerful speeds, making it excellent for use in the garage, shop, attic, or anywhere else where a high-velocity fan is required. A cool breeze blows throughout the room thanks to the powerful motor and metal fan blades. Pivoting head for airflow and circulation. This fan's pivoting head allows you to direct high-velocity air up, down, or anywhere in between, making it excellent for cooling or ventilation. Quick mount for easy floor-to-wall install conversion. Just mount the provided bracket to the wall to convert your fan from a floor to a wall fan. The fan stand simply clips into the mount, and you have a wall-mounted fan in seconds. Built to last, with a metal fan cage and stand. This fan is durable enough for use in the business while also being ideal for use in the home thanks to the fan stand's built-in rubber cushions. Simple, no tools required for assembly. You'll have your fan up and running in no time. To assemble the fan with the fan stand, Simply follow the given instructions. Number 5 Tornado 24-inch grade UL listed high-velocity movement heavy-duty drum 3-speed air circulator fan 7800 CFM industrial, commercial, residential, and greenhouse use. Yellow about this item. This 24-inch roll-around tilt fan from Tornado is great for garages, basements, covered patios, workshops, or even warehouse and manufacturing locations, and it tilts a full 360 degrees. CFM of air delivery, high, 7800/6000 is the medium setting. Lowest point, 5000. It has the most powerful drum fan on the market, with a heavy-duty 3-speed thermally shielded PSC motor. Dimensions of direct drive fans. The opening dimensions of the high-velocity 3-speed portable fan are 29.3 x 11 by 29.5 inches. It features 2 easy top handles for transportation, non-skid positioning legs with casters, aluminum blades, and a 3-speed rotary switch on the back casing. Rust-resistant grille that complies with OSHA regulations. PSC motor. 3-speed heavy-duty thermally shielded 120 volt, 60 Hz, extra long 8-foot power cord UL. Underwriters Laboratories, safety. The motor is covered by a 5-year warranty. The innovative technology from Tornado decreases noise by 40%, making it one of the quietest fans on the market. Industrial, commercial, residential, greenhouse, workshop, patio, and basement applications are all possible. Customer support is a delight for us, and we guarantee that any problems with our products will be resolved. Please feel free to contact us at any time if you have any questions or issues. If want to more update and pricing about this product, please check in description.